So two close friends from school teamed up and created a company. Man, that is what it's all about in business and entrepreneurship is, having an idea and then teaming up with whoever you need to and just doing what you love. And these guys created the company Coolina. I think that's how you say it, Coolina. Coolina has sent me a few knives that I think you're really gonna like. Stay tuned. These knives are something special and you're gonna love them. I've peeked inside the box already and I can tell you right away, these are knives that most men are gonna wanna have in their arsenal, rather it's outdoor, indoor, or whatever. You could just use it as a decoration. I'm telling you, these knives are awesome. Let's go ahead and unbox these knives. Well, they're made in China, but they came way before this whole coronavirus was in the news, so I think I'm going to be safe. Not a bad little presentation. Simple. Comes with a sheath. That's it. Very, very simple. Let's see what we have here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Tell me that's not an awesome knife. Right out of the box. Let's see how we do. Yeah, that's sharp. That's sharp. So you can tell there's oil on the knife, and that's for good reason. This is just, handmade forged steel, and it is absolutely a beautiful knife. They have their little logo or something here. But this is definitely going to leave a residue on your hand. You're going to want to definitely wash this thing before putting it to use. Now, I believe this is the knife they call the Promaya. It's a handmade, multi-purpose Siberian chef's knife. Man, it's beautiful. This was voted the 2018 best chef's knife, although I don't know by who. It's just a stat they gave me. It's a professional blacksmith hand-forged knife, and it definitely has that kind of look to it. Now, they claim that you can use this for firewood. I'm not going to put it to that test, at least not yet. But, it's a multi-purpose outdoor, man's man knife. Better put this guy back in here so nothing gets cut mistakenly, especially me. Now let's take a look at this next knife. This next knife is a Dao II. This is a Dao II Chinese style knife. Look at that. You can definitely feel that oil had the knife stuck to the plastic there. That's a nice sharp looking knife too there, bud. Look. Wow. That looks like something you'd have outside or at camp or, out in the woods. That is a nice knife. I don't know if it's supposed to have imperfections. I think it was, because it's not perfectly straight. These are carbon steel knives. So that means they have to have oil on them. That means you have to wash them as soon as you use them and dry them as soon as you wash them. Otherwise, they will rust. Now, the rust, there's been some fear over the years about when your knives rust when they're made of carbon steel. But, before we had all the stainless and things that we have now, this is all you had. This takes us back. This is what knives always were and always have been before we started getting into this new stuff. And there's nothing wrong with stainless knives. But the look of this thing, yeah, that's pretty sharp, guys. That's some pretty thick cardboard there. Let's wash these knives up and put them to work. So I like the knives, I really do. They feel good in your hand, a nice, comfortable grip. They're very, very strong. You can just tell by looking at them, they're incredibly strong. And I mean, you can see the imperfections from where they're handmade. They're a really nice set of knives. So it's been about a month since I did the main part of the video and since I received the knives. And I've been using them ever since, and they're a wonderful knife. I'm glad to have them in my kitchen. In full disclosure, I always want you to know the details of every situation. And in this case, I saw these knives on an ad somewhere. I believe it was Facebook. And I reached out to Coolina and I was like, hey, I really like your product. Would you be interested in sending them to me so I can try them out and see if I'm interested in making a video about them? They were grateful for the opportunity. They sent them out immediately and I got them within, I don't know, about a week or so. And it's been a great result. I'm very happy with the knives. I've used them quite a bit after the video, and I want to just give you some pros and cons. The pros, these knives are sharp, man. They are very sharp. They got some weight to them, so you got to be very careful with them. You don't want them to fall and injure a child or a pet or whatever. And let me tell you something, if they fall and hit your floor, man, they're probably going to mess your floor up. So just be very careful with that. But ultimately, it's good to have a solid constructed knife that is very, very sharp, especially when you do the kind of cooking that I do. You don't want to be hacking at the meat like you got a dull hacksaw there. So great knives. A con. So I got to be straight with it. This is a high maintenance knife. It is. I mean, when you're done using it, you need to wash it right away. And then you need to dry it right away. And then you need to put some oil on it. Now, for a lot of you guys, maybe you do that with all your knives. I don't know. For us, a family of four with some kids, we have a everyday set of knives. And that's a cheaper set of knives. It's, I don't know, $75 or something. And it says, don't put them in the dishwasher. We put them in the dishwasher, and we just know that every couple of years we're going to have to buy a new set. That's a trade-off that we're willing to make, because hand washing every single knife every day, it's not for us. But these Coolina knives, man, you bring those out, when you got some family over, when you're doing a video, when you want to put on a presence, a display, this really nice, manly, just outdoorsy type knives. And, any other time you can just hang them on the wall, display them, whatever. Just make sure that they're stored in a safe location. A suggestion for Coolina. The packaging, I like the simplistic approach. However, when I opened the boxes, I didn't know what I was looking at first. I had to go on the internet and compare it, because there's no reference material as far as this knife is named this, and here's a little bit about it or the company. So, I'd like to suggest to you, just maybe that added detail would really make your overall product a much better experience for the buyer. So guys, I really appreciate you sticking around for the whole video. Your support means everything to me. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. If you did enjoy the video, smash that like button and do me a big favor, share the video with your family, your friends, on your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your Instagram. Share the video so I can help grow my audience and bring the barbecue love to all those backyarders out there. So I can't wait to see you on the next video. You guys have an awesome week.